What's up? Danny Hayasaki with Kawanique, helping people do their business better. And today we're going to talk about the discontinuation of the very popular Poly CS500 series. And it's not all the models. Products that have been deemed end of life are the Poly CS510, the Poly CS520, and the CS530. So what replaced these very popular CS500 series? The Savi 7210 Office and the Savi 7220 Office. Even though I physically have 7200, the 7220 here in my hands, it's for desk phones only. And guess what I don't have? I don't have a desk phone. I don't know who uses those anymore. Apparently lots of folks still do. The CS530 has been replaced by the Voyager 5200 Office with the one-way base. Now this one here is a two-way base. So let's talk about all these new products that are here. Let's talk about some similarities and differences, right? So the CS510 had an MSRP of $329.95. The new Savi 7210 Office also has a MSRP of $329.95, up to 12 hours of battery life, and it is field replaceable. So the battery on these units is field replaceable, which is a nice thing to know. And you get a wireless roaming range of up to 120 meters or 400 feet from the base, and again, line of sight. Anyway, so let's take a look at the CS520. So the CS520 had an MSRP of $349.95. It is now being replaced by the Savi 7220 Office, which also comes in at an MSRP of $349.95, so nothing changed there. Connectivity is the same, desk phone. And again, let me say that you can use an EHS cable, so depending on the phone that you have, you can use an EHS cable. Again, 12 hours battery life, or up to 12 hours. It does have a field replaceable battery, decked, wireless. And so now let's take a look at the CS530, because that wearing style was extremely popular. That came in at an MSRP of $329.95. It's now being replaced by the Voyager 5200 Office with the one-way base, $279.95. Battery life of up to 7 hours, but it does not have a replaceable battery. And the Office models, in terms of wireless range, have a up to 75 meters or 250 feet, again, line of sight. But anyway, so this is a quick video to show you guys what you get now versus your old CS500 models. Again, the 510, 520, and 530. The very popular CS540 is still available. But if you have questions about any of these products, you can contact us directly, and you can contact either Hello Direct or call 1, and all our information is going to be in the description box below. Hopefully you like this type of video. If you do, don't forget to like, subscribe, and please comment, please ask questions. We get questions all the time, and I may not get to them right away, but I do read all the comments and I do answer all the questions. Tell us what you'd like to see and we'll do our best to make it. Thanks.